They are a joy to drive on Train Simulator, right? Three 77213, didn't get a front one. Going to Milton Keynes Central. These will be gone and replaced by the new BIMO units.
This train has 8 carriages.
It's a Holyhead service, I believe.
This train has 8 carriages.
Three 368. And 350251 at the rear. 368 at the front and at the rear. Right, 386 is at the front, 350, 386 at the front, and 350-251 at the rear. Here it comes. That's going to Crewe, no doubt. No, that's no good. It's 4 coaches. It's off paper, seriously, it's going to crowd so many people on board. It's just 4 coaches.
make sure you travel in the correct part of the train.
Martin.
Please travel in the front 4 carriages of the train.
350245 at the front. 350245 at the front and 350127 at the rear. 350127 at the rear. इस तरह बोलने सकी कड़ी Keep on the outline.
Your attention please, this is a special announcement for passengers who are waiting for the 1437 Avanti West Coast service to Birmingham New Street this afternoon. That's no apologise.
These will be replaced by the new Hitachi units. These will be replaced by the new Hitachi Bimo units. These will be replaced by the new Bimo units from Hitachi. Three 77205 front. And 377210.
From the platform edge. The next train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
Different story that, isn't it? You only thought that to wave it today, didn't you? That's all you could do really, wasn't it?
This train's what essential for people.
Yeah. Stand well back.
Avanti West Coast service to Edinburgh via Birmingham New Street, calling at Milton Keynes Central, Coventry, Birmingham International, Birmingham New Street, Sandwell and Dudley, Wolverhampton, Crewe, Warrington Battery Key, Wigan NorthWestern, Preston, Lancaster, Oxenfold Lake District, Penrith for the North Lake.
390009 operating the lane running 1455 Avanti West Coast service to Edinburgh Waverley via Birmingham New Street. Treaty of Union. .009 or 009 heading to Edinburgh, running 4 minutes late.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs and your belongings. Stand behind the yellow line.
Should be announced earlier on, stupid.
Lee Hall, Stepford, Birmingham Street, Smith, Gorton Bridge, Wolverhampton, Cambridge, Stafford, Crewe, Winsford,
350119 at the front.
That's
my lucky day concluded.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train at platform 7 does not stop here. Please hold on to pushchairs, wheelchairs.
350119 front. 350250 at the rear.
Have your attention please. A special announcement for passengers waiting for the 15:15 London NorthWestern service to London Euston. Please be advised that for this service, this train consists of 4 carriages, which has been noted that the service is currently running as full and standing. If you are travelling to London Euston, I do advise you also have the alternative of the 15:17 service from platform 9, which will have 8 carriages available. So once again, for any passengers who are waiting for the 15:15 London NorthWestern service to London Euston, please be advised that this train has 4 carriages and has been noted as running as full and standing. For any passengers who are travelling to London Euston, I do advise that you take the 15:17 service from platform 9, as this will have 8 carriages available for this service. To apologise for the inconvenience this may cause your journey today. Thank you.
That's no good.
We are sorry that the 15